Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix due to repeated failed attempts or other illegal activity. Your access to Snapchat is temporarily disabled. So if you face this kind of error, so how you can fix that? So if you want to fix that error, what you have to do, first of all you have to simply close that page. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Because your Snapchat account is not logging here, so if you want to solve it, then what you have to do, you have to simply open a browser, which may be Chrome here. So here what you have to do, you have to simply open a new tab here, and here you have to simply search for Snapchat Sport. And in Snapchat Sport, what you have to do, you have to simply click on the first link you are provided with, and here Snapchat Sport will be opened here. So here what you have to do, you have to simply search for temporarily disabled account, and here you can simply find the option of my access to Snapchat account has been temporarily disabled, and there are options available. So the first option is as that you have attempted to log in too many times in short period, which means if you try to log in into your account with the wrong credentials again and again, then this kind of error occurs. And moreover, if you have do not use the correct password and username and try to log in, then this kind of error also occurs. So now if you want to solve this error though, so how you can fix that? So what you have to do, you have to simply go to the home page of the Snapchat Sport, and here you have to simply click on my account is compromised. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply wait for some second so that interface will be opened. And here you have to simply select, I think my account was compromised, and they will tell you the detail about it. But if you want to tell more details about your account so that they can help you, so here you have to simply provide your username of your Snapchat account, and here you have to provide your email which is connected to Snapchat account, it is available. And here you have to simply provide your mobile number, and after mobile number, here you have to simply provide the description of the problem you are facing. And here you can say that, hello Snapchat team, I have an error, my account is temporarily disabled. And after that you have to simply fill the captcha, and you have to simply click on submit, and your report will be submitted to Snapchat team, and they will solve the problem for you as soon as possible. Hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.